Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'd like to show you some of the DIY and woodworking related products that you can still buy in the shop called Poundland here in the UK for £1. I know that in recent years some of the items have gone over £1. Years ago everything used to be £1, but because of inflation now many things are more than £1. But I want to show you what you can still get for £1. So recently I visited several Poundland stores local to me. I'm from the Midlands region of the UK. First up I found wood glue, great for woodworking projects and craft projects, a real bargain for £1. Furniture scratch repair pens, these are great for hiding scratches on furniture and they come in a range of colours too. Dust masks, these are always good to protect your lungs when you're doing DIY. Steel rulers, I have a couple of these in my shed, really useful. Carpenter's pencils, the ones that don't roll off the table. You get quite a few and you get a sharpener too. Mini clamps, I think these are a real bargain. You get 4 mini clamps for small woodworking projects. Really useful. Sanding sponges, again really useful. Furniture pads to put on the bottom of furniture to protect your carpets and hard floors. Masking tape, good for paintwork projects. Super glue. Marker pens, again really useful in woodworking and DIY. Sanding sheets, a 10 pack. It's not the best sandpaper I've ever used, but it does do the job. Spare utility blades, again really cheap and really useful. Electrical tape, you get 4 rolls for £1. Electric testing screwdrivers, you get 2 in the pack. Small scissors, really useful. Acrylic paints, there's quite a good selection. I use these quite often in craft projects. Wallpaper scraper, it's not bad quality either. Cable ties, nice little pack of cable ties there for £1. Great repair pens for in between your bathroom tiles, freshen up your tiles. Wallpaper paste. Filling blades, I use these all the time, really useful for filling holes in wood and in the wall. And finally gloves, I think protective gloves for £1 is a real bargain. Okay, so that is about it for this video. I hope you found it useful. It just goes to show that you still can get items that are useful for £1. So if you're out looking for a bargain for DIY or woodwork related stuff, you might want to give Poundland a visit. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.